How to fix Discord gift link. Today guys I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go to apps or applications. Here you'll find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search now just for Discord. When you found Discord, just open it like this and then go to storage option. Then go to clear data and click OK and go back and click on for stop and click OK. And the last things is to go to Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribing in our channel. See you in another videos.